Hey there, and welcome. If you're running a business, you know that tax time can feel, well, a little intense. So today, we're going to go on a bit of a treasure hunt. We're looking for hidden money in your business, all those overlooked deductions that could be saving you a ton. So, let's get right to it.
So let me just ask you straight up, are you leaving money on the table? I mean, the honest answer is, you probably are, and you're not alone. But by the end of this, the goal is to give you a map that leads you to every single dollar you are entitled to claim.
And you know, this isn't just a mistake that new business owners make. Nope, even seasoned entrepreneurs, people who've been doing this for years, they often miss out on some really valuable deductions. It's just a common blind spot, but it's one we are definitely going to shed some light on today.
Okay, so where do we even start digging? Think of this next part as your official treasure map. We're going to break down exactly where these overlooked expenses are hiding and how you can find them, one by one. Our strategy is pretty simple, actually. It's a three-step sweep. First, we're going to review your financial statements, the obvious stuff. Then, we'll scan your digital trail for all those hidden clues. And finally, we'll touch on getting your team involved so that nothing, and I mean nothing, falls through the cracks.
All right, step one. It starts right where you'd expect, combing through your business bank and credit card statements. But, and this is the important part, the real gold is often found when you expand that search into your personal accounts. And seriously, this is a huge one. Just think about it for a second. How many times have you been out and you've paid for a quick business lunch or some software with your personal card just because it was handy? Those are legitimate business expenses, and they absolutely count. We just have to find them and document them. Now let's move on to our second digging spot, your digital trail. Your calendar? It's a fantastic way to jog your memory. You see a client lunch back in March? Did you deduct the mileage to get there? What about travel? Your email is just as good, maybe even better. Just do a quick search for words like receipt or invoice. You'd be amazed what you can dig up.
And here's a perfect reminder that no deduction is too small to count. Think about those little recurring costs, like the monthly bank fees on your corporate account. Yeah, it might only be a few bucks a month, but guess what? Over a year, that adds up. These are exactly the kinds of details we're looking for.
Okay, finding these deductions feels amazing, right? I mean, it lowers your tax bill. But the benefits of doing this, they go so much deeper. This isn't just about a one-time fix. It's really about building a stronger, more organized business for the long haul.
The first big payoff is just peace of mind. Seriously, there's this powerful confidence that comes from knowing you've truly dug everything up and that you're presenting a complete, accurate financial picture. No more of that nagging feeling of, what did I forget?
And it goes beyond just peace of mind. When you do this once, you're actually building a fantastic habit. You've created a system that you can use again and again. So next year, it's going to be so much easier because you've already built that muscle. And finally, all this detective work actually turns into a really powerful management tool. You'll naturally start tracking your finances better all year round, whether that's in a journal, an Excel sheet, or whatever software you use. You'll have a much better real-time pulse on the financial health of your business.
So you found all these extra deductions. That is fantastic. But wait, there is one final, absolutely critical step. We have to make sure every single one is legitimate and provable. Here's the bottom line, and it's what this quote is really all about. Your goal is to be able to confidently show that every single deduction was a legitimate cost of doing business. This isn't about finding shady loopholes. It's about properly documenting and claiming what is rightfully yours.
Okay, so now it's your turn. You have the map. What's the very first hidden treasure you're gonna hunt for? Is it buried in your personal statements, your old emails, a forgotten subscription? Go start digging. That money belongs in your business, not with the tax man.